I'll try English, but I'm sorry if my English wasn't very clear, but I will try. It's really in 25 years ago I was selected to cosmonaut group to Star City, and we begin the first we go to test pilot school, and during 1 year floor in that school, and we training and prepare to a new project in Soviet Union, to Project Buran. You know, it is the same like in USA space shuttle, but in several years, and 3 or 4, I don't remember, maybe this project was closed because very expensive different project in one country for the Buran and space station Mir and different other projects. So before my flight, I training since 76 to 88, and my first flight was 88. It was only a short time flight, only 10 days. For that time, it was really a short flight, but we should change our spacecraft in our colleague who flew during 1 year. So after that, each 2 years I flew to the space, and the mostly interesting maybe third floor and fifth floor, because third floor it was for me very interesting because I launched from the USA Cape Canaveral, and it was the first docking space station space shuttle to Mir, because I think it is a new time between USA and Russia, because it is a very interesting and absolutely new way for the cooperation between our countries. By the way, it was a very interesting situation in that flight. Like test pilot, for me was very interesting docking spacecraft to space station, and we have some problem before, during time by time we have some problem during docking, and Alexei Leonov, it was my commander, and with crew in Star City, we training very unusual situation to docking. We docking to rotate station with maximum degrees. It's very difficult really, but Alexei said we should docking anytime, anywhere, and should docking rotate or no rotate, 0 degrees rotate, or maximum. We don't know what happened at this situation, but one time it is happening. It was I said you about this situation. After docking space shuttle to Mir, we change a crew on the Mir space station, and we want to take a photo and film what undocking shuttle from the Mir. And before undocking shuttle to Mir, we undocking by Soyuz to Mir, and stay positioned not far from complex Mir and shuttle, and take picture, take a film about undocking to Mir. And after that, space station should rotate for the position for docking by Soyuz. But during rotate a space station, the computer on the space station broken, and space station continue rotate, and that training, our training on the Earth to rotate a station docking, it is спасло нас. Saved us to docking, and we return to the space station and continue our science project and return on the Earth only in 75 days. So, but in 2 years, I'll back on the space station again. It was fifth my flights. I think it is the most interesting for me flight, because during one flight I have on 7 EVAs. By the way, with Michael Foyle, and one of 7th EVAs. I have very interesting EVA, not outside for the space station. We go to inside one of model. You know, maybe 2 months before our flight was collision one of our space cargo craft with one of model, and we lost a pressure in this model, and we should take energy from this model and take science equipment from this model, and it was very important for us for the continue science projects to our crew and after our mission. It was maybe mostly interesting for me, because never been inside without pressure is inside this model, but we did it. I think very nice, and we take energy from science equipment and closed again this hatch. And after that, we continue our science program. I tried too much, but thank you very much for your.